My name is Rasha Rahman and I'm working for the KESC campaign E-Force, which has been started from quite it's been going on for quite a long time now, one and a half month. As a citizen, I would say as I said, it taught me a bit of tips and stuff on how I can save electricity. There are things that we don't really know and we don't really care about, such as unplug kiya to button like you switch off the plug from the main switch, or you switch your gadgets off from, like, I would always keep my computer on. Now I think it's a better idea to keep it switched off because you're using a lot of energy, and plus we all use energy savers, but we never, now I got to know, okay, how much lesser energy and how exactly benefiting this is. And as a citizen, I also think that this kind of program is a very good program, that you are spreading awareness, because in our country awareness एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो बहुत कम companies अब थोड़ा उन लोगों ने start किया है, but these things are very important to teach to your kids, because as a country हम लोग energy, हमारे अंदर कोई energy saving concept है नहीं, जबकि पूरी दुनिया people are striving and finding ways to, because this is a worldwide phenomena. How are we going to what are we going to do when our resources? I think कि ये जो initiative KESC ने लिया, and as I said कि I think we're lucky कि हम लोग 8-10 जैसे पिछले साल 8-10 घंटे की load shedding हो रही थी, अब कम हो रही है, which is very good, and timings उन्होंने fix कर दिए हैं, तो at least we're well prepared. The final comments would be that please, I appreciate the fact that in the country, if we compare it with Lahore and other countries, we are having lesser load shedding, but I think the much we're having is also quite a bit. So I would request KESC to be more stringent on their distribution channels, in the sense के जो लोग चोरी कर रहे हैं बिजली, स्पेशली इंडस्ट्रीज़, बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज़ जिसमें कुंडे लगे हुए हैं, और जो कि अपनी सोर्स की वजह से they're not able, KESC doesn't do anything about it, or people who take bribes and just leave them. I think it's a very important thing that you stop that, because वो जगह घरों में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फिर भी हम सेव कर लेंगे, लेकिन मेन जो प्रॉब्लम है वो इंडस्ट्रीज़ की है, वो उन लोगों की है जो जिनके घर में 10-10 स्प्लिट लगे होते हैं और जो बिजली का बिल नहीं भरते हैं, एंड दे हैव गुड सोर्सेज इनफ to KESC isn't able to touch them, or takes, there are many people who take bribes. So I think KESC needs to do something with its distribution channel.